Hello guys, you welcome to my channel. This is Mom and Angel TV. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that you will get notification. Okay guys, for those that have subscribed before, I say thank you so much. Today we went for some shopping, and very soon we are going to be going back to lockdown in Germany. Okay, another serious lockdown. So I think it's more better that I go for shopping, like buy some things for my baby, for my kids. So I got some foodstuffs. Later, I'll be showing the video where we were buying it. But so let me show you guys what I bought. I bought some grease. Okay, this is it. We bought some wipes. Okay. I also buy some body spray. We bought some soap, as you can see, for bath. We bought some shampoo. We bought toothpaste. We also buy some Pampers. Okay, guys. So we bought a lot of Pampers, children at home, or your child or your baby, we need Pampers, okay? We bought some toothpaste. I also got I got this, I want to put color in my hair, okay? I use this one because it has it's 3-in-1, okay? 1, 2, I think there's one, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's very good. I like this color. Okay. I'm going to be putting it on my hair. Okay. You see the way I put it on my hair. I'm going to make a video for it. Okay. So don't worry. So where we are doing some shopping, we also run into Dashman. They do some sales, so we also bought some shoes. Okay, guys. So Dashman. So we bought some shoes. Okay, guys. This is it. My boy, his leg is very big. This is size 33. He's just 3 years old, but his leg is very, very big. Size 33. Fun. We do some shopping. This for mommy. Okay, guys. This for mommy. I like this shoe. They make some sales, 50% sales. So we went to buy some. So that is it. Guys, as you can see, we have a lot. I bought some, in fact, toothpaste. So guys, don't worry. See the video while we are shopping. Okay? Bye guys. Love you. Stay good. Bye for now and see you on my next video. Bye. Okay guys, we're going to buy. Come.
Mommy.
Come, we're going to buy this one. Okay guys, we are here to buy my color. I want to dye my hair. So I think I'm going to take this color. This color will be better. It's 2-in-1 or 3-in-1. Yeah, this will be better. Okay. So just got the color. So we're going. So let's go. So let's go, guys. Come.
No, pay me.
Okay, take.
Oh.
Yeah, this way. Come. Going to do some shopping. My people, I'm here to do some shopping for my baby. Yeah. I'm just going to buy. Okay. I'm here to do some shopping for my little baby. Yeah, guys. Come and shop with me. Come and do some space. I'm going to do some space. Just going to pick some things for my baby. Okay. Come. This way. Just going to buy. Okay. I'm going to take this one. Okay. As you can see, we are here to buy some things. Just going to buy wipes. Going to pick some fruits. Yeah. Some space. Today we are going to buy something. Okay. As you can see, I bought a lot. Okay. Just going to take this one. The menu. Take this off. We are going to buy some things. Some space. Some little. Just going to pick some. I think this will be good. No, this one is okay. We take this one. Okay? Good. This one.
My favorite oven.
Okay.
Oh no. I have
Good boy.
one before that.
Yeah. Going to take toothpaste. I think this one is better.
What I did.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, guys.
Hi, you're
This is very good. We're going to do some shopping. Just come and shop with us. Today we're going to buy some things. Okay, the menu here. Go. We are going to do some shopping. Guys, come and see. We just buy some things. Go.
Yeah.
Dominion Brindov or Neve. Neve is there. There. Here. No.
Yeah.
Let me see. No, not this one. Bring this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Uh-oh.